quickly as possible. It's also a race against time to show the world what has happened here while the attention is still on Hurricane Melissa. So aid can come in from around the world to the people who need it most here.
Terrible. First we've experienced this type of storm, you know? First. Enough damage to do already still.
Where do you live?
Back in St. Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Further back up.
Well, are you trying to reach friends, family?
No, we have some bees out there. So we're going to go look on them, you know?
Make sure that your bees are okay.
Okay.
How do you feel about it?
Nervous. Nervous, honestly. But we're getting there otherwise, you know?
Closer to the storm, more roofs gone, more lines down, and no communication. Sometimes the silence is the hardest thing to survive.
We haven't been able to communicate. That's the big thing. Communication is a problem.
Yeah, I mean, when it goes out,
I don't know how long it's going to be for, though. That's the thing. The quicker the communication, the better. Even if you don't have electricity, communication would be easy, be much better.
What would you tell the outside about this? Because here's why I'm asking. Because there's no communication, I don't think people understand how bad it is down here.
Yeah. I think people overseas are more, our family over there was more worried about us than people here. It's just that it's not knowing. That's the big thing for them. I just wanted to let them know that we're all right, you know, and everybody's alive.
What go me G? Yo, John, man, hungry. Why we no go check McDonald's? Me no want a hamburger. Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Go with everybody. Yeah, the alarm will go off. Alright, no, it's a no entry. But anyway, that is an automated thing. Hold on in the mash up, people, see that? Hold on in the mash up. I heard you.
Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? Alright, I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always guys, I hope you not feel no pain, and if you don't feel any pain at all, remember, check the doctor, call the doctor, make the doctor come check you if you have the money. If you don't, make somebody bring you to the doctor. And guys, please, me I beg you, me I ask you, do some wellness check for your family, because right now mental health problem is no joke. Also guys, remember to check for your family at Jamaica. Guys, me feel a little better. For the first, me hear from my family member them at Jamaica. Yeah man, them alright. My mother alright. My brother alright. My nephew alright. My niece them alright. Yeah man, everybody alright down there. You know, out of light, out of phone service, you know, nothing much not happen to our home. Yeah, our house down there, nothing not happen to them place there down at Jamaica. So the house them alright, everything alright down there. To my family. Now, my viewers and subscribers, they don't know me, I pray for the other set of family them we have problems, we lose everything. This morning I saw a guy, he lose everything, and his son said to him, Daddy, let us watch a movie. And he started crying because that little boy don't understand. So my viewers and subscribers, I have a link up there. I'm going to put it down in the description where you can help out. I have a GoFundMe where I put up anything, any amount of money, anything that we can put together to send to Jamaica for some families, for a few families. I want to be able to send the money directly to a few families or to a charity that can push out some of these things to help some of these people. We all know how it go when disaster or anything happen at Jamaica. Some people get help, some don't. Remember, some people still are trying to recover from Hurricane Beryl. Still no recover yet from Hurricane Beryl. In the same area, now you have Hurricane Melissa come and destroy St. Elizabeth, Manchester, Clarendon, the whole of them place. Me I tell you, Mobile. So, my viewers and subscribers, anything you can offer, anything you can give, could be $1, $2, 50 cents, $10, $20, whatever you can bring, give it with love in your heart, because we fellow Jamaicans need our help. They need us now more than ever. So, guys, what me I try to say is help. They need help, guys. So, guys, right now I talk to a few friends we may have in a Brownstown for them things mash up. One friend I talk to in a Montego Bay, the rest of them I can't get nobody. Me try to call some people down at Hanover, me can't get nobody. Me no know nobody down at St. Elizabeth or them place. Nobody I don't know down there. So the thing is, they need help. They need help. St. Thomas, me I try to call some of my family members, them at St. Thomas, can't get nothing. Me no hear nothing from them yet. I think them either they sell service now work, but me still I try. But so far, my mother is alright. Me nephew, my niece, and my brother, them good. My viewers and subscribers, also, I have my merch. Guys, I feel really nice. I feel really nice. My stay blessed family. Yeah, man. Me have out my merch them. Them just come out and I go put them up for sale. 5% of every item that sell, money will be going towards contribution to the disaster fund to somebody in a Jamaica. Couple people in a Jamaica. I go help people. I need to help people. I have to help people because that's just me. So, with all due respect, may I ask you to come along with me. Make we help people. Make we help some people. Make we see what we can do to help a few Jamaicans. Yeah, man, we can't help everybody, but at least if we even can help 5 or 10 people, do something, buy something. If it's even to buy back a stove, if it's even to buy a bed, if it's even to buy a dresser, a TV, something. If it's even to put a few zinc over them head, if it's even a few zinc, I would have loved for able if you can purchase, send these people some money to buy some zinc, some nail, some board for at least make up a one room, fix up a one room until when they can get them foot on the ground. So my viewers and subscribers, me I ask for no help, me I beg you for no help. Make we join together, make we help Jamaica, because when we see a go on in Jamaica right now, it is not good. I never seen nothing like that. I was in Hurricane Gilbert, and Hurricane Gilbert is the second roughest hurricane ever hit the Caribbean. And I was in it. I watched roof flew off. Hurricane Gilbert coming a middle day. So, guys, what these people went through, I never went through that. I don't know nothing about that kind of 185 miles an hour. We know I never been through that. So let us put hands and heart together. Let us try to help some of these people. Let us at least see what we can do for some of these people, because it's only going to get worse by the day. By the day. And I tell you, when the sun start to get hot, they have nowhere to go. So if it's even a start, we can help them with. If it's even $100, we can send go give one person. When they get it, it go be a little bit more than that. But at least they can able to say to themselves, say, something happen. Somebody try to help. My viewers and subscribers, it's now more than never. We only can do the best we can. I only can do the best I can with the channel I have, with you guys out there. That's what I can do. My family, nothing bad, no food, because the food that them have, them say it done. So that's simple. Them the house them no mash up. None of the house them no mash up. Everything still there. It's just food. But you have other people who lose everything. Food, clothes, house, everything. So me ask you now, if you come with me and make us see if we can help a few of these people. With the love from our heart, we're supposed to can help a couple people. So the link there. And I go put another link there where there's one GoFundMe link, and I go put a link there. It's a, what you call it, WhatsApp. I go put a WhatsApp link where you can pay, you can spend a money on WhatsApp, you know. And listen me guys, all funds will be heading to Jamaica fast. Also, the merch them up there to sell. Anybody buy one, 5% of that is going straight to somebody in a Jamaica. So, my viewers and subscribers, we need to help our falling. Not really falling, because them not lose them life. Our fella Jamaicans, yes. Let's use that word. Not falling, because none of them pass away. We have about seven people pass away. You know, rest in peace. We need to help everybody. Even the families who have the person pass away need help also, because they also lose their house. They lose a loved one and they lose their places. So, my viewers and subscribers, let's come together. Let's put hands and heart together. Jamaica need us now. They need us more than ever. Yeah, man, they need us now more than ever. So, my viewers and subscribers, right now, me a plea, me a beg. Yeah, man, me a beg as much as me can. Where I live, them called me yesterday and was talking to me. A radio station called me yesterday and asked me how them can help the people of Jamaica. So right now, I tell them how they can help. I send them a GoFundMe link. They're putting it into that program to see if and how they can help to get things to Jamaica. So right now I am heading to talk to Pastor Fred about if I can use his place for people to put things in his place, and ship them out to people in Jamaica. So guys, with that said, I have some videos. I wanted to just watch these videos and really see what happened in Jamaica and what's going on. Have a wonderful day and stay blessed. Remember guys, support. Let's help these people. The link is down there. So whatever you have, anything you have, we'll take it. Peace and love, manners and respect. Stay blessed. Watch these videos. I'm out.